Time to refill. Damn, I should have bought a 5 litre. Nah. Oh, nothing. No, I was saying, like, you know, when people buy a 1 litre at all, there's just water. So dip, dip. Watch me dip. Okay. That's that. And then I'm going to show you afterwards what it looks like. Now, are they real flowers?
No, fake.
Oh, that's so nice. This is the one with the product. Bit of water, bit of dip, dip, bit of dip, dip, dip. So I know it feels like it's long as, but it's really not. It just feels like it.
Yeah, it seems like it would take forever.
Yeah.
I don't think it will.
No.
Fine.
Now this is actually concrete grout, guys. It's not your normal grout, which is why this was the grout with product. Let's see if you can see. So there's a light, it's lighter. Yeah, you can see. Lighter than this one. Now, I do believe this is because it's like concrete, it's like stains very easily, so the grime sits right inside there. Where normally on most grout, it just sits on top, so it's easy. So when you are cleaning your grout, just try the two and see what you need to do. Perfect.